Google is giving away their premium swag, certificates, bonus rewards, and exclusive opportunity completely free of cost, and hardly very few people know about it. Yes, you heard it right. We are talking about the exclusive event that is also known as the Arcade Facilitator Program. Now, what is it? Who can participate? What is the opportunity? Can you participate if you are a college student? Can you participate if you are a school student? All things will cover in this video. And make sure you like the video, hype the video, and share the video with everyone. So let's cover everything about the Arcade Facilitator program step by step. But before you understand about the Facilitator program, you need to know what is Arcade program. So it is a no-cost learning platform by Google Cloud itself, where we learn about cloud computing concepts, including data, AIML, security. Okay, completely free of cost in a gamified manner. Here we have some labs. When you complete these labs, you get some badges, and these badges can be used as arcade points, which you can use for claiming the swags. Now, what is the role of the Arcade Facilitator program in the Arcade program? Okay, so it's just like an add-on. It is not a compulsion program. It is just an add-on which will enhance your points, and you'll be getting some exclusive goodies also. So let's cover the Arcade Facilitator program. Now, the Arcade Facilitator program is a 2-month program, and mostly it will be starting very soon. And the facilitator program for the facilitator is already live. Do not worry, we'll cover everything. You'll be able to understand each and everything after the video ends. So, Arcade Facilitator program is a 2-month program. Here you'll be getting some cool credits, cool swags like gimbals, t-shirts, bags, speakers, and much more. Now, the Arcade Facilitator program is divided into two phases. One is facilitator and second is student. Now, the name facilitator. As a facilitator, your role will be mentorship. If you have participated ever in any hackathon, you must have seen there are some mentors, like if you face any issue while building any project, or maybe if you are facing any issue related to credits, etc., the facilitator acts as a guide, means mentor. Similarly, in the arcade program, you must have completed some of the labs, you must have faced some issues on some of the labs and errors. So the facilitator will be there to guide you regarding the issues on the labs, regarding the latest updates, regarding what are the prices, when the price counter will open. All these details will be shared by the facilitator. So here you can become a facilitator also or a student also, or you can join us both as a facilitator and student. So first of all, let me cover about the facilitator program as a facilitator. Then I will move to the student. Okay, student category. Now, as a facilitator, you have to onboard 100 active students. Onboard means you have to register them under your referral code. You'll be getting a referral code over here. Okay, this is not just kind of another referral code which helps you to get the swags. Here, the referral code means they'll be joining under you and they'll be completing some of the labs. When they complete some of the labs, you'll be getting some report, and with that report, you'll be reaching different milestone. There are multiple milestones. Let me just show you. So let me just show you the milestones. Okay. So here are the milestones. So if 600 people complete 600 games, 500 trivias, and 1400 skill badges, you'll be getting certificate, zipper hoodie, metal zipper, Lego diary, and some cool swags. That was the light. You must have seen the light unboxing video. In case you don't have seen any of the unboxing video of the facilitator program, I have attached the link in the description. From there you can watch it. So this is of previous code, that is of 2025. It will increase or maybe it will decrease also depending on the update. I'll make updated video for that also. I'm just making for people to get aware about the program. We'll cover everything. The channel is specifically for the arcade program. So like this, there are some milestones which you have to achieve. Now here, you don't have to do anything over here. You don't have to do. Students who are enrolled under you have to complete the badges. Like for example, we are completing this month. The May month is live. We are completing the arcade games over here, right? Students are completing the arcade games. Then if the student is joined under you, they'll complete the games as it is, and your progress will be updated. In simple words, you have to do nothing, just guide them and help them if they face any issue or they get any error like this game is not currently opened for joining. You have to just assist them. It's a mentorship type of program, and then you'll be getting, depending on your hard work, depending on your achievement, you'll be getting some cool swags over here. Now here, a lot of you might be having some queries. Okay, might be having some queries like how to onboard 100 students. So it's very easy process. If you're a college student, you can just share the form in your college group also, or entire university group also. It's a very simple process. In your group also, at least there'll be at least 500 or 600 students minimum. Okay. Out of that, hardly 100 people you can at least get from that group, or you can coordinate with your seniors who will be helping you to add 100 people. Okay. Or if you're a school student also, then also there is no limitation. Now I'll come to the registration part. Do not worry. Even if you are a school student, then also what you have to do, you have to simply onboard 100 students. So it can be any. There is no limitation that that person whom you are onboarding must be a college student. They can be your parents also, family members, relatives. Only the number is 100 people should be enrolled, and they must be active. That enrolling does not matter. If they don't complete the labs, you won't be getting the swags. Okay. Now here, the most important thing is that can you join as a student and as a lead? That is a facilitator. Yes, you can join. Here you'll be getting two benefit if you become a facilitator and a student also. You'll be getting both swags, the facilitator swags also and the student swags also. Now coming over here for the criteria, how to fill it. So here form is open and the registration process I have already covered in the video. Okay, let me just show you. This is the video. I have explained everything about the Arcade Facilitator program, how to fill the form. Basically, a Google form is there. You have to enter all your details on it and then submit over here. How to do the submission, how to fill the form, you can watch this video. I'll share the link in the description. Okay. Let me just clarify some of the details before you fill it. Your age must be 18 plus if you are applying as a facilitator. For student, I'm not talking. If you are applying as a facilitator, your age must be 18 plus and you have to complete the application process. Now there you have to enter your real name while filling that particular form. Okay, let me just show you the form also so that you are able to understand things. So this is the form for the Arcade Facilitator. This is the form for becoming a facilitator, not as a student. For student, I'll just come to that part. Don't worry about it. So here you have to enter the email. Here you can use any email over here. If you want to use your old email, you can use it. You have to just accept the terms over here, right? I'm just showing you a quick demo. If you want detailed guide, you can watch over there. Here you have to enter your full name, your organization or university name or institution. Even if you are a school student, you can mention over here. Now here you have to select the category, whether you're a student, working developer or other. You have to just select any of these things. Country, you have to select India. Your LinkedIn profile, in case you don't have a LinkedIn profile, a lot of you are commenting that I have a LinkedIn profile, it is completely new. Just update basic education details and then you can share the profile link. YouTube channel, you don't require a YouTube channel over here, just type NA. Community profile link, you have to just go to this link. Okay, create a simple account, sign up. Okay, and then you have to just share your public profile link. How will find the public profile link? From here you can see uh, my profile is there. Let me just show you. From here you can see this option is here. Just go to your activity section, and from the search box you have to just copy the activity, means your profile link, and from here just paste it and remove the activity. So like this you'll be able to find it. The very simple process, you have to just create an account and then just paste the community link. Okay, how to create account, I have already shared that. You have to watch that video. Detailed video is there. Just click on yes and answer basic questions over here, and then you'll be able to submit over here. Like you have to explain about yourself, why you think you are a right person. Have you ever led any of the programs? You can take help from the AI and write over here and simply I agree and submit. So this is how we fill the form for getting enrolled in this particular program as a facilitator program. Now after that, nomination will be done and all these things will be done. Means nomination, that after being a facilitator, means once you are shortlisted, you have to select someone from your college, from your family members, from your friends, and fill their details. And then once you are selected, you can start promoting your referral code on your communities. All these things I have already covered. I am repeating again. You can watch the detailed video. Now coming over here to the second step, that is as a student. So as a student, what will be your role? You have to, how to join first of all. For joining, a special form will be released by me. Okay, you have to fill that form. Currently it is not live because the program is also not live. You have to just fill that particular form, enter the referral code over there, and just register. A registration guide will be also there when the event will be live. As of now, you have to complete all the arcade games which are listed over here. Do not worry, you have to just complete all these arcade games. Okay. Now here for the Arcade Facilitator program as a student, there is no limitation. While creating the account, your age must be 18 plus, but there is no limitation because here they won't ask any of the ID proof over here. Can can we use for swags? What does it mean? So here, there any swags for facilitator program as a students? Currently, there is no swags. You'll be getting bonus points over here. Okay, bonus points which you can use to redeem the swags. Here we have a separate syllabus. If you come to the syllabus section, you can see there are different syllabus over here. Okay, this will be updated because they have removed the trivia games and the point system will be also updated over here. So here we have to complete some of the arcade games, trivia games, skill badges. So currently they have removed the trivia games, so the syllabus will be updated. I just wanted to show you that here you can see we are getting the bonus points. So if you participate in the facilitator program as a facilitator, you'll be getting swags. But if you participate as a student, you'll be getting bonus points, which you can use to redeem the swags in December when the prize counter opens. Now here do skill badges, lab free courses and arcade badges. Okay, you have to complete all the labs. How to complete the skill badges? We will cover that also, do not worry. Skill badges looks like this. Here in the skill badge, there are some labs which you have to complete, and for every 2 skill badge, you get 1 arcade point. You need to understand. Lab free courses are these badges which contain mostly quizzes and documentation, not any labs. So you have to complete that also. Do not worry, updated syllabus I'll share whenever the event will be live. I just wanted to make you aware about the particular program, right? Now here you have understood these things. Now how to join, I have covered that also. A form will be released by me. You have to get a code and use it for registration. And after confirmation, you have to claim the credit and start. And once the event ends, the bonus points will be added. So these are the simple things. Let's cover the common doubts over here. Should we wait? Yes, you should not wait over here because the arcade program is already live and May games are also live. Complete the games whenever the program will be live. There will be separate milestones, separate fresh games, and your progress will be carried over here. Coming over here, what will happen to our existing points? Like we completed from January, we completed from May, it will be added at the final counter. Whatever points you are having, for example, you are having 20 points, and in the facilitator program, you earn more 20 points. So the final points will be 40 points plus whatever bonus points you have earned. So you'll be having a benefit out of it. Now, special swags for all. No, there are not swags for all. Only the facilitator will be getting the special swags. Can anyone join? Yes, anyone can join. There is no limitation. New account or same account. You can use the same account with which you are participating from January itself or 2026. Whenever you participate in the arcade program, there is no need to create a new account. Credits. You'll be getting the credits whenever you register in this particular program. When you register, you'll be getting extra credits. In case you need any help, you can reach out to me also. I'll also provide some of the credits when you need during the facilitator program. As of now, you don't have to touch the skill badges. So these are the key important updates, key important things regarding the arcade and arcade facilitator program. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I've covered everything. Okay, I've covered everything in detail. If you want to watch the detailed guide regarding how to participate in the arcade program itself, I shared all the relevant links regarding it. You can do the program with mobile phone also. We have covered that also. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and goodbye.